That for you? No? Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't believe it. The most satisfying sounds I've ever heard in my fucking life. That sounds... You know when you're going down on a... Oh, and she's just ripe. You're going and you're sucking up all the juices. And then it's time to finally put your penis inside her and you just hear that. Like that. I can't even do the sound because it was so gorgeous. It's that wet pussy sound. The gold mine. The creme de la creme of pussy. I need to hear it again. Oh, the creme de la creme! Ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand how great that was. Oh my God, again. 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 One more. Fuck! Again! Another one! Give me one more! No, you dickhead! I was so close! Fuck! Bro, I love the sound of wet pussy.